Piali, I'm a Tlachinocolot Pakilistli and I'm a tapestry crochet artist. I like to create happy, bright, and colorful images with tapestry crochet. In this video, I would like to show you my latest art piece in Ollin, Nemiliztli, and talk to you a little bit more about my life and why I choose to create art. I crocheted this poncho in approximately 310 hours within the span of 3 months. I crocheted it using 9 colors: gold, black, dark green, neon green, red, dark red, brown, dark brown, and beige. This poncho can be worn with either side on the front. Each side is 38 inches long and 32 inches wide. On one side, I crocheted a picture of my friend, Pancoat, who is dancing. On the other side, I crocheted part of the Aztec Sunstone. I named this piece in Ollin, Nemiliztli, which means movement is life. Both the dancer and the sun are constantly in motion. The motion of the earth around the sun sustains the life on earth. The motion around the center for a danzante sustains the vitality of his or her muscles and bones. Movement has been a significant part of my life because dancing has kept me connected to my cultural identity. At a young age, I was attracted to music, especially danceable beats of cumbia, merengue, banda, and bachata, etc. I danced for 4 years with Ballet Folclórico La Joya de Mexico at UCSD and started Aztec dancing in 2006. These two dance styles opened my eyes about where I come from and who I am. They connected me to my own past and history. Forming part of these groups has provided me with much inspiration for my art. This is why this piece is called Ollin Nemiliztli, because for me, dancing is life and movement is life. The inspiration for my art comes from the beauty I see around me. I want to create a more positive perspective that shines a light on indigenous Mexican cultures that are usually ignored and often ostracized. To heal the wounds of a victimized culture, one must expose the beauty that lies within it so that the world can appreciate it. Check out this photo book I created with Shutterfly.com. It's an 8x8 photo album that features beautiful pictures of all my artwork. If you would like to purchase a copy of this book, send me a message on Facebook, facebook.com/Pakilistli, or Instagram @Pakilistli. Tlazocamati, Pakilistica Xiquihcuilo Monemilis.